Good afternoon. We will study about Turkish attack. Turkish attack. We will study. About Turkish attack. We will study. About Turkish attack. We will learn Turkish attack. Attack of the Turkish people. Turkish attack or the attack of the Turkish that we are learning, Turkish attack. What is the meaning of Turkish attack? Or why they attacked India? What were the reasons behind? Now we are learning about Turkish people. Turkish people attacked India because of so many reasons. First of all, I will tell you what were the background reasons behind the attack of Turkish people. Why they attacked India? Why the Turkish people attacked India, that we have to learn. Why did they attack India? What were the reasons behind their attack? Why did they attack India, that we are learning? Why did they attack India? Why the Turkish people attacked India, that we are thinking. Then first one means territorial expansion. What is the meaning of this one? Turkish people were interested in territorial expansion. What is the meaning of this one? Turkish people. They were interested in expanding their kingdom. Turkish people. They had their own interest in expanding the territories, Turkish kingdom. That means all the people, all the rulers of the world, what they are doing? All the rulers of the world are interested in territorial expansion, or all the rulers are interested in expanding their kingdom. All the rulers are having the ability or habit. All the rulers are having the ability to expand their kingdom. So, Turkish people were, what they did? Turkish people were interested in expanding their kingdom. Turkish people. They were interested in expanding their kingdom. When they were thinking of a method to expand their kingdom, what happened? When they were thinking of a method to expand their kingdom, what happened? Usually they thought of India. They were planning to attack India during those days. So what happened? Turkish people were waiting for a chance. To attack which area? Turkish people were waiting for a chance to attack India. Turkish people. This was another reason. So, during those days, it was very easy to attack India. So that Turkish people attacked India from the beginning onwards. Turkish people attacked India from the beginning onwards. Turkish people. They attacked India from the beginning onwards, or from the starting onwards, they attacked India. From the beginning onwards, they attacked India. That is another speciality of Turkish attack over India. Then political problems. Political problems. Politically, it was very easy for the Turkish people to attack over India politically. Politically, it was very easy, or politically, it was too easy for the British, for the Sindhu people to attack India politically. Politically, it was too easy for the Turkish people to attack over India politically. It was too easy for them to attack India because politically there were so many problems in India politically. Politically there were so many problems in the land of India. So many problems were there in the land of India politically. What were the problems that we have to think? That means politically, what happened? Politically, the rulers of India had no unity of their own. Politically, rulers or Raja, politically the rulers of India had no unity of their own. They had no unity. One king was fighting with another king. So what happened? Because of this reason, Turkish people began to attack India because they began to think, or they thought that, they thought that it is very easy to attack India. It is very easy to attack India. Political problems were there. Then wealth of India. India had a very good wealth of its own. Wealth means asti. Wealth means asti. Wealth means asti. Wealth means asti. Understand now? Wealth means asti. Then what is the meaning? Wealth means asti. That means during those days, India was a land of wealth. India was a land of wealth. More wealth was there in the land of India. Wealth. So, enough gold reserve was a gold. Bengala. Enough gold reserves were there in the land of India. Enough gold reserves. Enough gold reserves were there in the land of India. So, what is that? For getting control over India, this gold reserve also attracted them. Enough gold reserve was there in the land of India. This also helped them to come to the land of India. Enough gold reserves were there in the land of India. This also helped them, or this also attracted them to come to the land of India. Enough gold reserves were there in the land of India. Since enough gold reserves were there in the land of India, they came to the land of India only because of gold reserve. Only because of gold reserve they came to the land of India. Because they were in need of more money. They were in need of more money. Because of the gold reserve and wealth, they came to the land of India. Then, powerful rulers. What is the meaning of this one? In their motherland or in their area, what was that? In their motherland or in their area, powerful rulers were there. In their area or in their motherland, what was that? In their area or in their motherland, powerful rulers were there. Powerful rulers. So, it was difficult for them to compete with them and to establish an empire there. It was difficult for them. So that they came to the land of India. Because of this reason, they came to the land of India. Turkish people. What we are studying? Turkish attack over India. Turkish attack over India. How they attacked the land of India. What were the reasons behind the arrival of Turkish to India? How the Turkish people came to India, that we have to know. How the Turkish people came to the land of India. For example, territorial expansion. What is the meaning of territorial expansion? That we have to think. The kingdom of the Turkish people were very small. Turkish people had a very small kingdom of their own. Their kingdom was very small. Kingdom of Turkish people was very small. Then what happened? So Turkish people want to expand their kingdom, or Turkish people decided to expand their kingdom. Turkish people decided to expand their kingdom. When they were planning to expand their kingdom, what actually helped them? When they were planning to expand their kingdom, what actually helped them? The land of India. It became easy for them. To come to the land of India to expand their kingdom. It became easy for them to expand their kingdom in India. In their motherland, what was that? In their motherland, it was very difficult to expand the kingdom in their motherland. In their motherland, it was very difficult to expand their kingdom. For them, territorial expansion was very easy in India. Just one, political problems. The rulers of India were very weak. Indian rulers were very weak. Weak means Durbala or Balahina. Indian rulers were very weak. So that what happened? When the Indian rulers were very weak, it became easy for the Turkish people to make their domination over India. Their kingdom was very weak. When their kingdom was very weak, then what happened? When their kingdom was very weak, it became easy for the Turkish people. When the rulers of India were very weak, Indian rulers, Indian Raja, they were very weak. then what happened? When Indian rulers were very weak, it became easy for them to defeat the people of India. When Turkish people of Turkey or Turkish people were in need of more wealth or money. Turkish people were demanding or Turkish people were in need of more money. Turkish people were in need of more money. And in the land of India during those days, more money was there. In the land of India, during those days, more money was there. So they came to the land of India. And another reason was there. In their motherland, in Turkey, what is there? In their motherland or in Turkey, what was there? All the kings were very powerful. In their motherland or in Turkey, all the kings were very powerful. All the kings. In their motherland, all the kings were very powerful. So what happened? It became difficult for them. It became difficult for them to establish their domination over Turkey. Because of these reasons, what happened? Because of these reasons, Turkish people came to the land of India. Mainly because of these reasons, Turkish people came to the land of India. Why the Turkish people or how the Turkish people made their domination over India? How the Turkish people made their domination over India, that we have to think. In what way or how? In what way or how the Turkish people made their domination over India, that we have to think. What way or how the Turkish people made their domination over India, that we are thinking. In what way or how they made their domination over India, that we are thinking. In what way or how they made their domination over India, that we are learning. In what way? First one. Rulers of India. What was the meaning? During those days, there were so many kings in the land of India. So many kings or Raja. So many kings were there in the land of India during those days. So many kings. Then what happened? Those kings were very weak. Those kings had no power of their own. They were very weak. There were so many kings in the land of India. And those kings were very weak. They had no power of their own. Kings of India were very weak. So what happened? So since or because the kings were very weak, it became easy for the Turkish people to attack India. kings were very weak. Since the kings were very weak, it became easy for the Turkish people to attack India. One reason. Then, inner conflict. Inner conflict. Inner conflict. Inner conflict means, what is that? When the Turkish people came to the land of India, what actually happened? When the Turkish people came to the land of India, the kings of India were fighting one another, kings of India. They are fighting one another. Indian kings were fighting one another. When the Turkish people came to the land of India, Indian kings were fighting one another. When the Turkish people came to the land of India, they were fighting one another. When the Turkish people came to the land of India, they were fighting one another. When the Turkish people came to the land of India, they were fighting. When the kings were fighting one another, it became easy for the Turkish people to make their domination over India. Turkish people were fighting one another, or Indian kings, Indian rulers or Indian kings were fighting one another when the Turkish people came to the land of India. Indian kings had no unity at all. Indian kings had no unity at all. Indian kings. When Indian kings had no unity, then what happened? It became easy for the Turkish people to attack over India. Then weapons. What is meaning? Weapon means ayudha. Weapon. Weapon really means ayudha. What is the meaning of this one? What is meant by this one? We have to know the meaning of this one. We have to know the meaning of all these things. Weapons. Turkish people came to the land of India with the most advanced weapons. Their weapons were good. But on the other hand, what happened? On the other hand, the weapons of Indians were very weak, very bad. So, weapons of, or ayudha, weapons of Turkish people were great as compared to the weapons of Indians. Turkish people had very good, or Turkish people had very powerful weapons of their own. But on the other hand, weapons of Indian people were very weak. So, it became easy for the Turkish people. It became easy for the Turkish people to attack and defeat Indians. Then, method of warfare. Method of war or war technique. War technique or method of warfare of Indians were very bad. War technique or method of Indians were very bad. We had a very bad war technique. Without any planning, Indians began to attack Turkish people. But on the other hand, Turkish people had very good war technique of their own. Turkish people. Turkish people had very good or great war technique of their own. This was another reason. Because of this reason, who failed? Because of this reason, Indians failed before the Turkish people. Once more, I will tell you, children, once more. Why or how the Turkish people defeated Indians? Why or how the Turkish people defeated Indians? What are the factors that helped the victory of Turkish people over India? How many factors helped or what are the factors that helped the Turkish people to defeat Indians? First one, rulers of India. What is that? Indian rulers had no power at all in front of the Turkish rulers. In front of the Turkish rulers, Indian rulers were very weak or belahina. They were very weak. Then what happened? Since Indian rulers were very weak, it became easy for the Turkish people to defeat Indian rulers. Inner conflict. What is the meaning of this one? Inner conflict. Indian rulers were, what they did? Indian rulers were engaged in war. They were fighting one another. Indian rulers were fighting one another. When the Turkish people came to India, that time also Indian rulers were fighting one another. So what happened? What actually happened? It became easy for the Turkish people to defeat India. Weapons. Weapon means ayuda. Weapons of Indian rulers were very weak or durbala or belahina. Indian rulers' weapons were very bad, very weak. Our weapons were very weak. But on the other hand, the weapons of Turkish people were great. So, with the most advanced weapons, what happened? With the most advanced weapons, Indian people, Turkish people defeated Indians. Method of warfare or war technique of Indians were very old. Indians had a very weak or bad war technique. War technique of whom? War technique of Indians were very bad. But on the other hand, war technique of the Turkish people were great. So that Turkish people defeated Indians. I think children, up to here, you are able to follow. You now turn on your mic or you on your mic. We will have a discussion, please.